Hey guys, it's QiYi and welcome to my unboxing and review of the QiYi S2 6x6. So let's unbox it. So here are some first turns. It's a little hard to turn, but it's okay. I bet that just adjusting the tensions a little bit will work. Let's check out the shades. And also, with this camera, the shades look brighter than they the shades look darker than they actually are on some of them, and the shades look brighter on some of the others. But it's mostly accurate on here, so I like this red. And on this, the green is darker on this. And the orange is pretty much, I like that orange. And the yellow. I didn't do the inner layers. Whoops. Oh. Oh no. Please don't pop. And it is stuck. Oh, there. Got it. So, pops, they might happen a lot, but hey guys, this is QiYi from the future. Now, I'm serious. Be careful of pops. Like, look at this. Let me turn this light down. Gosh, that is bright. Oh. That's good. But yeah, be careful of pops. Yeah, you can see that I recorded this on the fly. Look at this. You will really have to be careful of pops, and if you don't know how to assemble a 6x6, then you're pretty much out of luck. But yeah, if you want to know how to assemble a 6x6 in case something like this ever happens, then go check out Z3Qing's video. I'll put a link down in the description. But yeah, this is going to be a little hard to fix. I'm gonna film myself trying and failing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah! Yep. Oh. Got it. That took some serious effort, and I do not want to have to do that again. But yeah, just be careful because that happened. Like that could have been a pop. That totally could have been a pop. And that just happened while I was trying to do, like a J perm, and of course it locks up. Yeah, I was just trying to do a J-perm, and then, like, while I was off camera and editing this, but but yeah, that happened. So yeah, I was just trying to do. Can I just do a J-perm in peace without some sort of pop? Yeah, but just be careful because this thing can and will pop. And of course, it has locked up there. Got it. Well, I've had a few pops. So I've had quite a few pops with this cube. And trust me, it is not pretty. So, yeah, just be careful. And as soon as you can, check out Z3 Cubing's video. Links in the description. And yeah. Also, P.S. Use SpeedCube Shop for any of your orders. SpeedCube Shop is the best. So that is Future Cubing XT. So back to past me. These third layers, these turn really good. I bet you with some tensioning and some lube, this could be my main 6x6. Let's do some patterns. So here's a checkerboard pattern. And then if you're wondering how to checker even layered puzzles, then the link will be right like around there somewhere. But this looks pretty nice. Ooh, I like this side. Let's undo that checkerboard pattern. Feeling this since you feel every single layer when you're doing the checkerboard pattern. Yeah, it turns okay. Not exactly the best, but if you are a beginner, then I would recommend this. And I will be putting up a solve video up soon. But this, yeah, it's pretty nice. Not the best, but would you rather have like this is for like I think $16. I'll put the actual price right here. I got this from SpeedCube Shop, and go check it out. Also with this order, I got a lunar lube from SpeedCube Shop too. Yeah, go check out SpeedCube Shop. The link's in the description. It's a great place for all of your puzzles. So this 6x6 final thoughts. The turning is okay. It's okay. Good for beginner, but yeah, this is like a really good beginner cube, but there are better ones out there. One thing about this cube is that, as you just saw there, when you're turning a layer, there's a chance that middle layer right next to it will turn with it as well, like this. Let me try to get it to happen. Like this. And then having that, if you do like a middle layer turn later and it's just a little less, then there is a chance that it will pop. And you really don't want that to happen. So that is my review on this 6x6. Wait. Yeah, this isn't the best, but if you're a beginner, then you would feel comfortable speed solving on this. But see, since it's not magnetic, it can misalign itself, and you know what happens when you try to corner cut on even layered big cubes. It just locks up. So that's one downside. It does lock up a lot. Like there, it locked up again. Lock up. But it is a good cube. And if you're a beginner wanting to learn how to solve a 6x6, this is a great cube to do it on. Although I don't even know how it locked up on that one. Oh. Okay. But yeah, this cube cannot corner cut. Like, look at this. Like, I guess it corner cutted a little bit that time, but like, didn't. Like this one corner cut. Pretty much just right here. That's like the only time it would corner cut. And like backwards corner cutting. Okay, look at this. I can't. There. Backwards corner cutting. Like, look. This is just barely misaligned. It's just barely misaligned, as you can kind of see right there. But it is locking up there. So, like I said, not the best, but if you want to learn how to solve a 6x6, then this is a good cube. But like I said, there are better ones out there. Also, there's also this little instruction booklet. But no one needs these instructions. Okay. Give me a second, my camera's lagging. I'll be back when my camera stops lagging.
3 days later.
Okay guys, I'm back. So, yeah, there is this little instruction booklet if you want to learn how to solve it that way. But, yeah. Yeah, who needs this? So other than that, this is a really good cube. Although one thing that I'm not a fan of is this printed on logo. And I'll make a video of how to remove printed on logos, and that'll be, I'll put that video right here. So this is QiYi XT, and that was my review of this 6x6. I'll put a link to it down in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh, and also I'm gonna do a Q&A, so if you have any questions, email to me. The email is in the description below.